guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this super cute fall cutout. I'm going to go in first and start by painting all of my pumpkins. And this is a paint by line product, so that means all these lines are etched onto the cutout for you, so you don't have to worry about freehanding anything. And I've just gone in first and painted my first pumpkin in the color terracotta, and I'm going in now with the color cotton. All of the paint I'll use in this video are Dixie Belle chalk paint, which you can also purchase on our website, along with the cutouts and the brushes that I use at buildacross.com. The reason that I love this paint so much is just the coverage. As you can see here, everything will be one coat. Rarely do I ever have to go in and do a second coat. I'm going in now with the color the Gulf for my left side pumpkin. And then next I'm going to go in and I'm going to paint the leaves on the two pumpkins. And I'm going to use the color Limeade for that. It's a pretty bright light green color. And then next I'll go in and I'm going to paint the stems on all three pumpkins. And for that I will be using the color chocolate. And then once I'm done painting my stems, I'm going to go in and I'm going to paint the nose and the ears on my kitty cat, and I'll use soft pink for that. I'm going in now with black and I'm just filling in my kitty cat. After this step, I'll begin to go in and outline everything and highlight. So this is when I go in and add the details. So on my pumpkins, if you see me paint a pumpkin before, this is how I always do it. I'll use a number 4 round and the chocolate color, and I'll go around the edges, and I'll also go in on the ridges of the pumpkins. So this kind of separates my pumpkins in an outline fashion, but I'll also go in and highlight with this brown as well in just a second here. So now I'm going in and adding the little highlights in between each of my little ridges. And then next I'm just going to wipe the paint off that brush, that number 4 round, and use it again to go in with the color putty. And I'm going to go over all of my little brown spots, excluding the very edges. I'm going to keep those just solid brown as an outline. Then I'm just stressing a little on the side of this pumpkin to kind of help it look like the sunshine is hitting it. Keeping it on the same side on all 3 stems. And then next I'm going to go in and begin to outline and kind of make everything pop. So I'll be using black for my leaf here. And then after that I'm going to go in with this light gray color called Savannah Mist, and I'm going to outline my cat. Being that it's black, this kind of helps you to be able to see all of her little details. And then that's it. So I did go in with a little bit of cotton and highlight her ears and the top of her nose, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.